Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the full list of apps. Now let's scroll and find the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and choose System. And here we've got reset options, so simply click on it, and on the second position we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so click on it. And your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are ready, simply click on Reset Settings, click on Reset Settings again, and now, from now on, they have been reset. And you can customize them again. So that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.